Howdy everybody, happy Saturday. Hope you are having an amazing weekend. Today we're in my kitchen. We're going to be making our homemade meat sauce today. This will be for tonight's dinner. We're having spaghetti, we're going to have the meat sauce, we're going to have we got a crusty loaf of roasted garlic bread. We're going to be having a good night, having a good meal, a little bit of wine. So stick with us, we'll show you how this is done. Okay, first off, let's go through the ingredients. We have some chopped onion. We have some fresh chopped parsley, basil, and oregano, 2 tablespoons each. We have a pound each of hot and mild Italian sausage cut into chunks. We have 1 package of crimini mushrooms already sliced. We're gonna have 2 pounds of hamburger. Got 2 pounds here. We're using 85% lean, 15% fat. We want that fat because we're gonna be cooking with that fat throughout. And this fat, the fat from the meats, is going to help flavor the sauce. We're going to need to add Parmesan cheese. We got some nice Parmesan here already shredded. 2 cans of Cento tomato puree. This is the best plum tomato puree that I have been able to find. 12 ounces of tomato paste will be going in there. We're going to be adding a lot of garlic. I'm probably going to add about 6 cloves. I haven't chopped those up yet. I'm going to be chopping those up soon. And we're going to add some Chianti to the sauce. We're going to add some Chianti to the sauce. Then we're going to have some Chianti with the sauce, with dinner. Alrighty, so now that we have all the ingredients laid out, we're going to get to cooking on the stove here. We've got 2 pans laid out. And we'll show you how we start this and how we prepare the sauce. Alrighty, so now that we have our pans out, first thing we're going to do, dump our tomato puree into a large pot on the stove. Get that turned on. And what we're going to do, we're going to turn it on to... We're going to turn it on to like medium high. We just want to bring this to a simmer. We just want to bring this pot to a simmer while we do everything else. So we'll get that going. The next thing we want to do is we want to get this pan getting hot on medium-high heat. We're going to let this pot, or this pan, get warm, let it get hot. We're going to start to cook our sausage and hamburger. Alrighty, it's been about 15 minutes now. Our meat has been browned. Our puree is at a simmer. We're going to turn this down to about medium-high, and then what we're going to start doing is we're going to start with a slotted spoon. I'm going to move this off the heat for right this minute. Turn it up. I'm going to move this closer. We're going to start transferring our brown meat into the puree. We're using a slotted spoon. We want to keep all of that fat in this pan. We're going to need that fat. So... And also, it's going to see the spices and flavor from the sausage is in there. We want to keep that as we transfer this over. Just give me a minute here. Alrighty guys, that's it. Sauce is on. It's going to take about 2 to 3 hours. It needs to simmer. We're going to let it cook. We'll check it every once in a while, taste it, see how it's going. Maybe add a little bit more wine, maybe add a little bit of salt. We'll see how it's going. Check back. We're going to check it out later, and I'll show you the finished product when it's done. Alrighty, so the sauce is ready. Look at that, it looks freaking amazing. It smells amazing. I can tell you right now, it already tastes really good. We've got our plate of spaghetti here. We're gonna serve this up, and then we're going to take a taste. Alrighty, so food's ready. Let's have a taste and see how it is. Absolutely delicious. Thank you all for watching today. I hope that you enjoyed. If you make the recipe, let me know how you liked it in the comments. If you enjoyed, please do hit the like and subscribe button. We will be doing a lot more cooking videos in the future. Bye.